Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful AI tool to create stunning images, artwork, and visual content in just seconds, you're going to love what I have for you today. Let me introduce you to Pikzels AI, an advanced AI image generator that's taking content creation to a whole new level. Make sure to stick around because I'll show you how it works, what makes it stand out, and why so many creators are switching to it. And if you want to try it out for yourself, just click the link in the description below. So what exactly is Pikzels AI? Well, it's a cutting-edge tool that uses artificial intelligence to turn your text prompts into beautiful, quality images. With Pikzels, you can bring your ideas to life by simply typing in a few words. Whether you're a social media creator, YouTuber, blogger, marketer, or just someone who wants to unleash their creativity, Pikzels AI has got you covered. Let me show you how it works. Using Pikzels is incredibly easy. All you need to do is type in what you want to see. For example, let's say I want to create an image for an upcoming video about artificial intelligence. I can type AI robot in a futuristic city, and in just seconds, Pikzels will generate a stunning image for me. But that's just the beginning. Pikzels AI doesn't just stop there. It gives you advanced customization options so you can fine-tune your results. You can specify the style of the image, the resolution, and the aspect ratio. This is perfect if you're creating content for social media. For instance, you can generate content for Instagram, YouTube thumbnails, posters, and much more. You don't need to be a graphic designer or an artist to use Pikzels. The platform is incredibly user-friendly, and it works directly in your browser. So there's no software to download or install. You can start creating immediately. And the best part is that each image generated is completely unique. You'll never get the same result twice, giving you endless possibilities to explore your creativity. Now you might be wondering who can benefit from using Pikzels AI, and the answer is pretty simple. Anyone who wants to create stunning visuals with ease. Here are a few examples. YouTubers can leverage Pikzels AI to create eye-catching thumbnails that draw in more clicks. Social media marketers can design captivating visuals for their ads and campaigns. Bloggers can create custom images to accompany their posts, making them more engaging for readers. Artists and hobbyists can experiment with different styles and concepts, expanding their creative horizons. And businesses can generate branded visuals for their website and marketing materials in no time. So let me show you a few examples of what I created with Pikzels AI. I started by typing a futuristic city at sunset in cyberpunk style, and the result was breathtaking. The image generated was exactly what I envisioned. A vibrant and detailed illustration of a futuristic city skyline at sunset, complete with elements of cyberpunk architecture and a moody atmosphere. I could use this image for a science fiction book cover or a movie poster. Next, I tried something more whimsical, typed a cat wearing sunglasses and a leather jacket riding a motorcycle. The image that popped up was both funny and stylish. A sleek black motorcycle with a cat wearing cool sunglasses and a leather jacket. It was a unique and unexpected twist to a classic biker image. I could use this for a quirky Instagram post or a greeting card design. And finally, I wanted to create something motivational, so I typed a mountain climber reaching the summit with a panoramic view. The image that appeared was inspiring and awe-inspiring. A lone figure of a mountain climber standing on a rocky peak with a breathtaking view in the background. It was a powerful reminder to push through challenges and reach new heights. I could use this image for a personal project or a quote poster. These are just a few examples of what I created with Pikzels in just a few minutes. And the best part is that the platform offers endless possibilities. With its advanced customization options, you can generate images in different styles such as realistic, cartoonish, digital painting, watercolor, and more. You can also choose from various art styles from famous artists or even upload your own photo and let Pikzels AI recreate it in a different style. If you're ready to take your content creation to the next level with stunning AI-generated images, look no further than Pikzels AI. Give it a try today and unlock your creative potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.